marginally newer. I guess it would have been like 2018 that we, well, first we moved into a studio south of Etobicoke and moved all our gear in there. Took a full day and a half just to get everything moved in. And then the person that owned the building was just like, you can't record here. Right after we'd set everything up, just like turn the last knob, they were like, no. We got kicked out first week that we moved in. And that was a step back, and we were planning to write our third record. And so that same day, we loaded everything back into a truck and we brought it to our friend Abe's backyard in the Junction. I think Ian was living there. And it was super icy and snowy, and we pushed our cases all the way back into this tiny little coach house he had in the backyard. And we moved in there for 3 or 4 months and wrote what became Pray For It, which is a very different record from what we put out in the past. And it was a really important moment in our band's life, where we sort of found ourselves and decided what we wanted to sound like. And one of the songs that we wrote was this next song, which is a song about creativity, and it's a song about sort of revering those that don't pretend to have all the answers. It comes from my reverence for a friend of ours and an experience we had with her, where she kind of just let go of the keys. She passed over the keys to the evening, and the rest of us got to just ride on her coattails through the night and witness her kind of performing in this beautiful, really liberated, unbridled way. And I think I set out that day to just be freer. Anyway, this one's called Pretender.